Hello everyone. Today I'm recommending a Unity Match-3 game template. Who doesn't love a classic Match-3? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you can jump right in and easily customize, improve, and extend it. Buy and download now to build your very own unique Match-3 game. This asset includes 1. A complete, ready-to-use game template. 2. Easy customization. 3. Everything you need: scripts, UI, sound effects, and visual effects. 4. Well-commented code throughout. 5. Responsive after-sales support. 6. Currently supports URP only. If you need to use another render pipeline, simply replace the shaders on all materials. I put the download link in the video description and a pinned comment. Hope it helps. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.